Good day everyone, we are here to present our title, Secure Communication, Protecting Your Email and Messaging Apps. In today's digital age, ensuring the security of your email and messaging apps is paramount to safeguarding your sensitive information and communication. Here are some key practices to protect your email and messaging apps. 1. Strong password. 2. Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Third, update software regularly. Fourth, encrypt your emails. And last, secure messaging apps. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Beware of phishing. Regularly review app permissions. And last, data backup. Implementing these practices will significantly enhance the security of your email and messaging apps, ensuring that your communication remains confidential and protected from unauthorized access.
Next is best practices for securing email account. Strong password. Utilize complex password with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Two factors two factors authentication or 2FA. Enable 2FA whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. Regular software updates. Keep your email client and operating system up to date to patch any security vulnerabilities. Beware of phishing attempts. Stay cautious of phishing emails that may try to trick you into disclosing sensitive information. Email encryption. Use email encryption tools like PGP or Pretty Good Privacy or ME to secure your email content. Secure network. Avoid accessing your email on public Wi-Fi network, which can be insecure and prone to hacking. Data backup. Regularly back up your email data to prevent data loss in case of a security breach or accidental deletion. Last, review app permission. Check the permission granted to your email account and revoke access for any unnecessary apps or features. By following these best practices, you can significantly enhance the security of your email accounts and protect your sensitive information from cyber threats and unauthorized access.
Next, encrypting message and using secure messaging apps. To ensure the privacy and security of your message, it is essential to encrypt your communication and use secure messaging apps. Here are some key points on encrypting message and utilizing secure messaging apps. Number 1, end-to-end encryption. Use messaging apps that offer end-to-end encryption, where messages are encrypted on the sender device and decrypted only to the recipient's device. Second, strong encryption protocols. Look for apps that use strong encryption protocols like AES or Advanced Encryption Standard to safeguard your message. Number 3, email encryption. For email communications, consider using tools like PGP or Pretty Good Privacy or S or MIME to encrypt your emails. 4. Secure file transfers. When sharing files or attachment, ensure that they are encrypted before transmission.
Next is using secure messaging apps. Signal. Signal is renowned for its strong security features and end-to-end encryption. It offers secure messaging, voice, and video calls while prioritizing user privacy. WhatsApp. WhatsApp employs end-to-end encryption by default for all messages, calls, photos, and videos shared on the platform. Telegram. Telegram offers secret chats with end-to-end encryption, self-destructing message, and advanced security features. It is known for its focus on privacy and security. Fourth, Trima. Trima is a secure messaging app that provides end-to-end encryption, private key management, and anonymity MIT features. Last, WIRE. WIRE is other option for secure messaging with end-to-end encryption, secure file sharing, and collaboration tools.
Next is the importance of secure communication in professional settings, confidentiality and privacy protection. Secure communication ensures the confidentiality and privacy of sensitive information exchanged within professional environments. Compliance with regulations. Many industries have strict regulations regarding data protection and privacy, such as GDPR or General Data Protection Regulation and HIPAA or Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Prevention of data breaches. Secure communication methods reduce the risk of data breaches, which can lead to significant financial losses and damage to a company's reputation. Maintaining professional reputation. Ensuring secure communication demonstrates a commitment to maintaining a professional and trustworthy image. Protection against cyber attacks. In professional settings, businesses are often targeted by cyber criminals seeking to steal valuable data or disrupt operations. Risk management and business continuity. Secure communication is a fundamental aspect of risk management, helping organizations identify and mitigate potential threats to their operations. Last, client trust and loyalty. Secure communication practices enhance client trust and loyalty by assuring them that their information is handled with care and protection. That's all, and thank you.